Alright, so what's going on?
You from Florida, right?
You what?
You from Florida, right?
Yeah.
Right, you guys know that, like, disrespecting people and then pointing guns at people's faces and shit, you know? You guys know that, like, you guys know that, right?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Huh?
Do you have a concealed weapons?
Florida, a bar district, one man, one gun, nobody permit. He claims self-defense. The law says otherwise.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Alright, so what's going on?
You from Florida, right?
You what?
You from Florida, right?
Yeah.
Right, you guys know that, like, disrespecting people and then pointing guns at people's faces and shit, you know? You guys know that, like, you guys know that, right?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Huh?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Well, I used to have it.
Spray. Stop kicking the windows, you're gonna get sprayed. Spray. You understand me? Spray.
Drop the gun! I got him at gunpoint. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Step away from the gun! On the ground, now! Before I got the gun from him. Can't get this magazine out of here.
Bro, because the guy threatened me, bro.
Who did? What's going on?
So somebody I went hired to get a drink over here.
Roll over on your side.
Huh?
Roll over on your side.
You got anything else on you?
No, sir.
My guns is literally like licensed to me, bro, and everything. For sure. Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so what's going on?
So, sorry. I'm very upset right now, man. 'Cause you know how, you from Florida, right?
You what?
You from Florida, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys from Florida, right? You guys know that like disrespecting people and then pointing guns at people's faces and shit like that, you know? You guys know that, like, you guys know that, right? So, I literally had a drink over at, my car is literally parked over at, what is it,
Quarter deck.
I'm sorry?
Quarter deck?
Yes. So I was literally over there. I had food, dinner, and everything, bro. Had a great time. I come over here and I literally wanted to order a drink, and a guy literally started spazzing and swinging at me. Literally started swinging at me, and he started coming running at me. So I left. I went to my car.
Who came swinging at you?
Bro, how am I gonna find out after all this? Like, how am I gonna find out, bro? Like, after all this, like, he literally came swinging at me, bro.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Huh?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Well, I used to have it.
Issue 1. Concealed carry. Florida Statutes Section 790.01. Carrying a concealed firearm without an active license is a third-degree felony under Florida law. The subject admitted on camera his license had lapsed. Florida provides no grace period, no pending application exception. Expired means illegal, period. He also believed gun registration equals carry rights. Florida has no registration system. Ownership and carry authority are two separate legal questions. Issue 2. Stand your ground. Florida Statute Section 776.012. The statute authorizes force only when the threat is imminent, present and ongoing at the moment of response. His own words ended the claim. He was threatened, walked away, went to his car, retrieved the gun, and returned. That is re-engagement, not self-defense. Florida courts deny stand-your-ground immunity to anyone who voluntarily renewed the encounter.
I mean, you can look me up and everything like that, bro. Cause
Do you have any ID?
I have an ID, yes. My car is literally.
Alright, so someone threatened you at the quarter deck?
Now in quarter deck, when I came over here running up, because I asked the people in quarter deck, I'm like, is it okay if I can just leave my car here because I'm not safe to drive? I didn't want to drive, you know. I had a couple drinks, so I didn't want to drive. They're like, yeah, you can literally leave your car here overnight as long as you come the next day, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You will not be responsible for it, whatever the case may be. I was like, all right, cool. You know? And I came over here, bro, and then these people start threatening me, man.
Who started threatening you?
Where are they? They're not here, bro.
How are they threatening you?
They're not here, man. Like, how you gonna expect with all these cops, bro? They all left already.
How are they threatening you? I'm trying to figure out, you gonna talk to me or no?
No, bro, I'm trying to look for the freaking people so I can tell you
How
something.
were they threatening you?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. I'm trying to show you the people that was threatening me. But then,
Tell me. You don't have to show me. I want you to tell me how they were threatening you.
well, first off, they took a swing at me.
Yeah, he's gonna come over and start doing everything.
First off, I took.
So here, when I walked up, he was standing here in the roadway, walking away.
Okay.
He was walking this way. He had the gun in his right hand, basically walking around like this.
Okay.
But I never. Hey, Papa, hold on. Before you finish, I never pointed at nobody.
Did I say that?
Exactly. I'm
Did I
very
say
aware
that?
how to hold a gun, bro. That's why I got a gun out here, bro.
He said that he was parked over.
Talking about
Yeah,
witnesses,
I
man.
only
There's
need to be-
a couple people here that seen that shit, bro. There's plenty of people. That guy was acting up, bro. That guy was acting up. He was drunk already. The guy that was challenging me, bro.
How was he challenging you?
Bro, I asked a couple people over there. I can't tell you because I don't see the guy, man.
But listen to me. If
That's
someone's
the thing. I
challenging
can't
you,
tell you that somebody's challenging me if I don't see the man, bro. And
so
point
then why
the
did
gun
you
out,
feel
bro.
the need to get your gun and walk around with the gun in your hand? That's what I'm
Because he
trying
said, I'll be right here. I'm like, all right, say less. He swinged at me, and I'm like, you know what?
he
Say
swung
less.
at you?
Yeah, he swinged at me, bro.
Where
And they
did-
came
where
at
did-
me, and they came at me,
Okay,
man.
that's what I'm trying to find out. How did he come at you?
All right, so if those people had camera right there, the full menu, happy hour, late night, whatever. What's that place called? Pink,
It's Blondie's.
whatever the shit name is, but with all respect, they should see that shit
All
right there, bro.
So, what?
Like,
how
I didn't bring my gun out. I went to my car and went and got
Wait,
my gun, bro.
wait.
Which I am literally licensed and registered to get my gun if I feel threatened.
Okay, but you don't have a concealed weapons net currently.
Right now, yes, I know. I'm still waiting for it.
Okay, so you don't have a concealed weapons currently. All right. How did this all start?
Bro, I was here having a couple drinks. Like I said, well, my car is parked up at Garden, what's it called? Garden or right here.
Quarter deck.
Quarter deck, whatever it is. Yes, quarter deck. I was there since 5 o'clock. I'm literally sitting down right here. You can literally ask the bartender. She came in at 5 o'clock. I was there since 5 o'clock, bro. She came in 6 o'clock. And I literally had drinks there.
What's going on with him tonight?
He's just drunk.
Yeah. Did he get into it with somebody, or you just decide to pull his
Yeah,
gun
he
out?
got into every time he drinks, he gets into everybody. Just like right now.
Yeah.
He just gets into everybody once he drinks.
Anything in particular set him off tonight?
Anger.
Just anger issues? Okay.
Bro, I never threatened nobody.
But
All I said was shine the man. He had red when I came
Okay.
back, bro.
All right.
Since 6 o'clock, I've been drinking there and sipping there. And I had my car there, and I asked her, can I leave my car here for sure? I can have fun out here, drink, whatever. She's like, yes. You don't gotta worry about your car.
Okay.
I'm like, okay. And I had drinks. I can literally confirm you this, bro. You can test me. Yes, I've been drinking, but my car been parked.
I know you've been drinking. I can tell. I'm trying to figure out. You're at the quarter deck drinking.
Yes. And then I left there.
How did you get involved in an
So hold on.
altercation?
So I left there, came over here, started walking. I literally left my sister told me I can leave my car there. I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna leave my car there. You guys are all catching this, right?
Yeah.
I left my car there. And I came over here. I walked over here. I had literally one drink with them guys over here, somewhere over here, bro. I had a drink. And they're this crazy balloon, Cocoa Puffs.
What do you look like? What do Cocoa Puffs look like?
Haitian American, bro. Black, alright?
What was he wearing?
Black, bro. I can't remember.
Did you get?
But he was black, bro.
You have no idea.
Yeah.
All I know, he was black. I came over here, bro, and that man's literally. I started changing some words with him, and then he thought that I was trying to get like all gangster or
All right,
whatever.
stop right there. Why did you start engaging in words with this guy?
Because he swung at me, and then I left.
Why did he swing at you?
Because I started exchanging words with him.
Why did you start exchanging words with him?
Because he started fucking cursing me out, just like me having a normal conversation. All of a sudden, started
So he just started cursing you out of nowhere?
and then he started threatening me. Yes, and I'm like, all right, cool. And he's like, I'll be right here.
How was he threatening you?
With words, my friend. With words.
What was he saying?
And I'm like,
there's a video.
there's a video, thank you.
Let him
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Take it.
Can I see it?
Alright, so this is him walking out. And that's when he pulls the gun.
Sit down.
Please, I'm like, so what's up? We in Florida, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's how he was holding when I walked up.
Apartment guy.
Hanging up on the collar. The mother is
Yeah, right? Right? Hey, homie.
Carlisle.
Like,
Black female. Red line.
so, hey. So you are a police officer.
Yeah, we gotta put him in the car now.
But you're not a police department officer, whatever.
For the physical person, she should be. Not for 1 5 minutes. For example, but.
You guys didn't take him out. Stop moving your hands, bro. Man, like, how am I supposed to know, bro? Like, I tell you, like, jeez, how am I supposed to know you're telling me to move or not move, bro?
Cool if I go get your ID?
No, I don't like you going in my car and going and getting my ID.
Issue 3. Use of force. Graham versus Connor, 490 U. S. 386, 1989. In custody, the subject kicked the patrol vehicle windows. Officers issued 4 verbal warnings before deploying OC spray. Graham requires force be judged from the reasonable officers' perspective at that moment, not in hindsight. All 3 Graham factors supported deployment here. Issue 4, vehicle search. Arizona versus Gant, 556 U. S. 332, 2009. Under Gant, a vehicle search incident to arrest is lawful only when the subject is unsecured or when evidence of the arrest offense may be inside. Subject was restrained. Neither exception applied. No legal basis was stated on camera, a procedural gap that may affect admissibility. Grades. Officers receive a B. Armed subject disarmed without lethal force. 4 warnings before OC spray, deducted for the undocumented vehicle search. Subject receives a D+. Parking instead of driving, the one good call. Retrieving a firearm on an expired license and returning to the scene was a felony the moment he left that parking lot. Key takeaways. Verify your permit before you carry. Expired is illegal, no exceptions. Stand your ground requires you to stay in the threat. Walk away, come back armed, that is a crime, not a defense. Comply first, litigate later. Resistance in custody creates new charges and justifies force. For officers, state your search basis on camera, every time. Silence in the field becomes the problem in court. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police and courtroom content.
Spray. Stop kicking the windows, you're gonna get sprayed.
Spray.
You understand me?
Spray.
Stop kicking the windows.
Spray. Spray that. Spray that.
Stop kicking the...
Go ahead, spray that shit. Spray that shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. I wanna use the fucking bathroom. I asked you about this shit already.
Stop kicking the car.
You wanna tell me?
Stop kicking the windows with your...
Bro, what the fuck you want me to fuck do? What the fuck you mean?
I want you to calm down.
The fuck you
Yo,
mean, bro?
you spit on me. I'm gonna spray you again.
Bro, you sprayed the fuck you wanted to do, bro, but I can't even fucking breathe. How the fuck you want me to fucking do it?
You're breathing
bro?
perfectly fine by talking and
Yeah,
screaming.
because you fucking had the fucking door fucking... You see my fucking nose licking, bro? You fucking see my fucking nose licking, nigga? The fuck you mean, bro? I wanna fuck you the fuck...